Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making another drink video for you all today. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a Paradise Punch fishbowl cocktail. So what I'm going to be using in this drink is the Calypso Paradise Punch, the pineapple Ciroc, and some of the pink kinky. So here I have my fish bowl, and I'm just gonna throw in some fruit while I have the ice halfway filled up in the glass. So I have some cherries, I'm throwing in some pineapples, and I'm gonna throw in some lemons. And then I'm gonna fill the rest of the glass up with some more ice. So what I'm gonna do is pour in my Ciroc. Three shots of that. Pour in my kinky. I'm not really gonna measure it. And then I'm gonna pour in my Paradise Punch lemonade. I'm gonna top it off with some more of the pink kinky. And I think I want to add one more shot of that Ciroc. Why not, guys? Let's get ready for hump day, I guess, because tomorrow is Wednesday. You can garnish it. You can put this on the side, or you can lay them inside. Put some of the cherries in there. Add in some more of the lemons. You can make it nice and festive and add you in an umbrella. Put in a straw. And there you have it. My Paradise Punch cocktail fishbowl. And I hope you all enjoyed this video today. It was nice, quick, and simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.